The night has fallen, and the stars twinkle in the sky. The zoo is preparing for a special goodnight party. All the animals are putting on their coziest pajamas, getting ready to drift into dreamland. Bobo the elephant is taking a bubble bath, spraying water everywhere to make himself smell nice. A little more bubbles, and I'll have the sweetest dreams. Bobo giggles. Lulu the giraffe, dressed in her starry pajamas, is sipping a warm cup of honey milk. This will keep bad dreams away. Lulu smiles. Kiki the bear loves bedtime stories. Tonight, she's cuddling her favorite stuffed toy while Kangaroo Teacher tells a tale. This story is so fun. I bet I'll dream about a big adventure, Kiki says happily. Toto, the monkey, loves being rocked to sleep, so he built a swinging bed in the trees. Swing, swing, this will be the best sleep ever. Toto laughs. All the animals are now ready for bed. The moon softly glows over them as they drift into dreamland. Good night, elephant. Good night, giraffe. Good night, bear. Good night, monkey. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream. Good night, little one. Good night, zoo.